Last fall, our leadership team here at American Highway embarked on a new project. We want to start an internship program. So we engaged with our local university, University of Nevada, Reno, to see who we could bring in as a possible intern and that would provide some benefit to the company as well as provide some learning experience and get the young generation ready for their first career job. So with me today is our first intern, Diego Luchetti, and he's from Reno. He's a senior and he'll be graduating in information systems. So welcome, Diego.
Thank you.
We wanted to just ask a couple questions. We're getting towards the end of the summer here, and you may or may not stay with us next semester, just depending on your schedule. But wanted to get just your feedback on this new program that we have. So the first question I have is, what did you hope to get out of this internship with American Highway?
I hope to broaden my experience and learning opportunities in the business realm. Again, this is kind of my first real world experience, and I've been hoping to see different areas and departments of business and get to sit in on calls, learn, and not focus just on my IS specific degree, but see all different areas behind the business.
And how those different departments work together,
yes,
right?
Exactly. Yep.
So once you started, engaging with our CFO, Paul, about this potential internship, what interested you about American Highway specifically?
When I got offered this opportunity, I was really not sure what American Highway was until I heard about it was concrete pavement, and I was really excited to see how that goes with our upcoming market, and was really interested in seeing how the company works together and performs as a team. I wanted to see how I can be a fit in the office in different areas of different departments of the department,
the company. Yeah, so, well, we've really enjoyed having you here this summer. And plus, American Highway was just close to Reno, right?
Yes, true.
So that was pretty easy to get out here. And so what type of projects did you work on this summer using your information systems background?
I've worked mainly on my biggest project this summer has been working with policies and procedures, updating our policies and procedures, organizing them all, and creating a big template that's very easy accessible and very user-friendly for everyone in the organization. Mm-hmm. I've also been doing a lot of revenue forecasting, generating revenue forecasts for our sales team to see decisions and everything. I've done a lot of data analytics and data requests just every day. And then also I've done some incident response plans, creating a new incident response plan, working with the HR team, and other little things around the office as well.
Well, as a recipient of some of those analysis, thank you. It's nice when you get data summarized and you can make some informed business decision. Last question, besides sort of the technical learnings you learned this past summer, what did you learn about American Highway as a company?
I've learned that the team here has been really helpful for me, and it's been a really great team to work with. They care about they care about everyone that works here, and they develop a great team. I've noticed that they've helped me through everything. I feel comfortable in the workspace and the atmosphere. The office has been nice. I feel comfortable to ask questions, and they're always here for me to work, and the team is just a great atmosphere, and it's been nice to have.
Well, thank you, Diego. You hit on something, and that is the development of people, and we take that very serious. We think it's our number one priority here is to develop people, because we know if we develop people, the business will follow. So I wish you best of luck, and thank you for spending some time with us this summer and helping us out.